Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seating, heads-up display, panoramic sunroof, navigation, parking assist, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone gray tan interior with paneling and storage on the bottom here, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. You got your power trunk release here. You got the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents, as well as the seat memory right there. Your Denali badging. You have these power adjustable, heated and cooled leather seats with Denali stitch. Super comfortable. On the left side, you're gonna have your heads-up display controls as well. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, as you can see there. And you can also access info, music, navigation, phone settings, and other vehicle settings as well. It's going to be push to start just on the side there and onto the infotainment system. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as your navigation included. You can also download other apps with My GMC, and also your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and your mirror cams. Below that will be your auto stop. Below that will be your dual zone climate control. You're gonna have the button shifters here, 2 USB ports, as well as an SD card reader. You're gonna have extra storage on the sides as well. And you're gonna have your automatic park assist, as well as the heated seats and cooled seats with lane keep assist, hill descent control, and 2 and all-wheel drive, as well as off-road. With a wireless charging pad as well, and center console with 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish. You're gonna have the Denali stitch. One in chrome goes across as well. Speakers and vents, you got the heads-up display right there. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and as well as your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 19-inch aluminum wheels on Hennock Energy GT tires, paint match mirror caps, and paint match keyless entry door handles. Chrome luggage rack up top, deep tinted rear glass. We got the power trunk here. The GMC all-weather mats. You got the 60/40 folding split seats. You got an extra 12-volt DC port and hooks in the back, and extra wheel well storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling storage next to the speakers. Wood and chrome again with the power window. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side. Rear ventilation with rear heated seating, 2 USB ports, and as well as an AC wall charger on the very bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as heads-up display, panoramic sunroof, automatic park assist, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.